Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the exciting world of starting your very own MLM company. Now, before we begin, it's important to note that this is a complex and multifaceted process, and it's not for everyone. First things first, you'll need to create a solid business plan. This should include your company's mission, goals, and target market. Then, it's time to register your business and secure any necessary licenses or permits. Next, you'll need to recruit a team of passionate and dedicated individuals who share your vision. Provide them with the necessary training and support to help them succeed. Now, let's talk about the products. Research your target market and develop products that meet their needs. Remember, quality is key. Marketing is a crucial aspect of any business, and an MLM company is no exception. Use a mix of online and offline marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Finally, keep an eye on your finances and monitor your company's performance. And there you have it, folks, the basics of starting your own MLM company. Remember, this is just a starting point, and there's a lot more to learn. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more business tips and advice. Until next time, happy hustling!